Hello and welcome to another lesson. So in this lesson, we'll take a look at another very important aspect of working with string. So we just took a look at how to extract a string using the string dot length property in the last lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to be looking at other method of extracting string characters. There are four methods for extracting string characters. Number one is the at position method. We have the char at position method. We have the char code at position method. And then using property access like in arrays to get out our string characters. JavaScript string charAt. The charAt method returns the character at a specified index position in a string. So I want to quickly, brush up brushed up our memory on the fact that we should not forget that strings in JavaScript have like index position. It's simply the position they occupy if you count them, like the way we do normal counting in traditional mathematics, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 in programming, counting starts from 0. So if you have a long string, we want to get a position of a particular string. How do we do it in JavaScript? So we can use the string char as to return the character at a specified position in your string. So this is what that means. For example, so I'll use the previous code that we had. Look at this. So I'll take this out and say, okay, let length equals to text my variable dot charAt. So you can see this. I say, okay, I want the text at the position of 18. I want to know the value. Take a look at this. What is that position 18? You can see hole in my code. So if I say I want the index position of the text of the character that occupies 25 position, what am I still getting? I'm getting hole. If I say I want the one at 9, you can see high, which means if you count from here, so this is likely going to be E. So which is if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's just if I count in traditional mathematics, this will be the answer. But computer or in program, it will count from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can see that this is correct. It matches the output on the screen. So this is how you use charAt to get the index position of string when you are working with string. And there's another one, char code at. So this is used to get a Unicode character of your text. So if you use code at, it will get the Unicode value of the position of the string at this ninth position. And you can see like getting 101 in the screen. So you can use this to work also with string to get their index position. I'll see you in the next lesson.